Richard Radke here from Chilliwack, BC, Canada. I'm doing a short video for people that are looking for a simple and a proven system that can make them some money from home online. Well, I assure you that the system I'm talking about is a proven program and is exploding right now because it is one of the best programs online today. There are also video testimonies from a lot of members that you can watch and listen to. So if you've been struggling and worrying about how you can make enough money, stop that now, because this is working for a lot of people now. Even newbies are succeeding with this proven program. I am really excited to be able to tell you about this. You won't need any experience because after you join, you'll get all the marketing resources right in your back office with a lot of training videos and swipe files and banners. You'll also be able to download and copy the display ads that you'll be able to use to promote your link. It shows you where you can promote your link for free, and it also shows you where you can promote a paid site. There is also training every week that you can bring your prospects to find out more about this and get their questions answered. So if you're looking for a way to supplement your income from home, or you want to replace your job altogether, this could be what you've been looking for. So I want to encourage you to opt into the first link below this video to get all the information about this great opportunity. Thank you for listening to me today. I hope you're having a great week, and please give my video a like.